Hey friends, if you wish to fix DISM error 14098, the component store has been corrupted on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the DISM restore health command, and I have shared it in the description section of the video. So simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will initiate the DISM repair and it will be very helpful. If this doesn't work, then you can perform an SFC scan on your system. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. If this doesn't work, then you can perform a system restore on your computer. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next, choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then finally click on yes. And lastly, you can perform a clean boot on your system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.